Let's take a look at the Castle Inn and Suites right near the Disneyland Resort. This is the standard room here at Castle Inn and Suites. There's 2 queen beds. It sleeps 4. I love this property because it is so close to Disneyland. You can walk there in about 7 minutes. Look what they gave me. Got my crown. This is a great option. This is the family suite here at the Castle Inn. This is a great option for families. So it has the queen size bed right there, and then in here we have the bathroom, and then back here with a door that you can close are 2 more beds. And there's another sink here, another TV. This is amazing. There's a little laundry facility if you need to get some laundry done. They've also got a great little pool and hot tub. This property is amazing. My favorite part is the location, just 8 minutes from Disneyland. Check out the description so you can get discounted rates to Castle Inn and Suites.